In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Shopify checkout loading issue. If you've been experiencing delays or complete stalls when customers try to check out from your Shopify store, this guide is for you. We'll walk through a series of steps to address this problem methodically. Let's start by ensuring that your internet connection is stable. Sometimes, a slow or unstable connection can cause checkout loading issues. Verify that your internet is functioning properly by checking other websites or services on your device. If your connection seems fine, let's move to the next step. Next, we need to clear your browser's cache and cookies. These tiny files stored in your browser could be causing conflicts with Shopify. To do this, open your browser preferences or settings. Look for options related to privacy or security, which should include clearing browsing data. Select the options to clear cached images and files, as well as cookies, and make sure to apply this to all time if prompted. Once completed, restart your browser and try accessing your Shopify store again to see if this resolves the issue. If the problem persists, another potential cause might be outdated apps or themes. Verify that all apps and your theme are up to date with the latest versions. In your Shopify admin panel, check for any available updates. Developers regularly release updates to improve performance or patch bugs, so applying these could resolve your issue. After updating, check if the checkout process improves. Additionally, it's important to examine any recent changes to your store. If you or your team have recently installed a new app or added custom code, this might be interfering with the checkout process. Temporarily disable these additions one by one, and test the checkout after each. This way, you can identify if a specific app or code change is the culprit. If you pinpoint a problematic component, you can contact the app developer or revert the code change for a solution. If none of these steps work, contacting Shopify support might be necessary. Their support team can offer deeper insights and technical assistance specific to your store's configuration. When reaching out, provide as much detail as possible about the issue, the steps you've taken, and any error messages you've encountered. This context will help them diagnose the problem more effectively. Lastly, it's a good idea to check online forums and support communities. Other Shopify users might have encountered similar issues, and you could find a solution in those discussions that hadn't been apparent before. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving the Shopify checkout loading issue. Ensuring your store runs smoothly is crucial, and eliminating this stumbling block will help enhance your customers' shopping experience. Stay patient, work through these steps methodically, and you'll likely have your store back to its optimal performance in no time.